I'm Polybath, and I travel throughout the country helping schools to manage and change difficult behavior that interrupts instruction. Today, I'd like to address a question about the bathroom. Is there anything we can do about bathroom behavior in our middle high school? It is getting worse and worse. The bathroom has almost become the community center, if you will, for young people. And I have to ask the question from an intervention standpoint. How often are our kids gathering together besides that, quick lunch where they have to go and get in line and get that lunch and eat their lunch and, get back to classes? In some ways, I think we're moving them through a production line so quickly that the bathroom has become their only opportunity to kind of circle up and meet with their buds. I mean, I do see this. I actually, have witnessed, kids who sit on the floor and have conversations in the bathroom. And we always ask, why would anyone want to sit in the floor of a bathroom? But that's a, great question. But again, if you really need that connection with your buds and that's the only place you're going to get it, then we know our kids actually plan their bathroom trips to get there. So one of the ways we can deal with it intervention-wise is to make sure we're plugging in throughout the day times when kids have that ability to actually socialize. The other is bathroom policies. Now, we know that we don't want to restrict kids from using the bathroom, but it does make sense to just have some really consistent policies. 2 passes, if they're gone, they're gone. Now, we know that means that could be 10 classrooms down the hall that all have 2 passes, which could result in 20 kids out in the hallways going to the bathrooms. If we continue to have those problems, we bring it down to 1 pass per classroom, and that may help to alleviate the issue. And the other thing is being visible. Again, being out there in the hallways, even if your planning period, it's your lunch, you might go out to get something, just heads up if you see a lot of kids wandering and let them know, to get themselves back to class. It is a problem and it does continue to get worse and worse. But the more I see kids not connecting, they're connecting electronically, but the more I see them not connecting personally, the more I'm seeing the bathroom seeing a problem. So something tells me that we've got to alleviate that issue, and it may help us with our bathroom issues. Don't forget to like, subscribe, hit the bell for notifications, watch these videos. If you've got questions for future videos, include them in the comments below.